Welcome back, guys. And today's we are going to let our young birds out. All of them, like they are four at the moment. So yeah, we let them out, and as you can see, they are eating very keenly because I have reduced the food that I give them. The more they eat, if they are not breeding pigeon, so the more they eat, the more mess they'll make. You can see the room is pretty dirty right now. That's probably because I it's been 1 week since I haven't cleaned the room. I usually clean every Saturday, but yeah, it's Saturday today, so I'll clean it today or maybe tomorrow. So yeah, you can see the pairs. That one is about to lay eggs again. Same goes with this pair. He's like chasing her all day, and there's the chick. I don't know why they are breeding so quickly. So I might think you can see the tail. If I can focus on her, her tail is bent downward, so she's definitely going to lay in a day or two. So what I'm trying to do is, if she laid an egg, I'm going to take her eggs under this pair, and I'm probably thinking of switching this pair, like this male with that female, but the chick is not very good in size, so that's the problem. If he has grown enough, I would have divided them by now, but he's pretty small. So yeah, I'll see, and yeah, let's get them out. So yeah, here they are, and you can see they are very happy, and if they are keen to fly. Yeah, one of the young bird flew. There he is. So we'll see if they are happy and want to fly. You can see someone else pigeon. Like mine are young birds are not very easy from flying because they have to build the stamina and the balance. So yeah. There one goes, the blue bar. Yeah, there he landed. So yeah, that's pretty good. Like they will make their stamina and balance, and they'll know about the surroundings by this way. So that's pretty good. And she is definitely better than his brother, like that one, because he is compared to her, he is bigger in size and looks stronger, but she flies well, and there she goes again. Like she's doing small laps. So yeah, the good thing is when there are adult pigeons, you see someone else pigeon are flying over here. The good thing is about adult pigeons is that they keep the young birds around, like they don't let them stray away, and like they act as a guide. So that's what I like about. And here he flew again. So yeah, let's see when they come back.